everyone, I hope you are having a great day. My name is Nicole if you're here for the first time, and thank you for watching this video. Today I decided to show you how to make this beautiful moss cake. The spring finally arrived to our area, so I thought it's the perfect time to make this kind of cake. It's perfect for like a spring summer party. Look at the vibrant, beautiful colors. I'm not a baker on regular basis. I usually make like one, maximum 2 cakes in a year. So don't get discouraged if this looks too complicated. It's super easy. So in this moss cake, I use only natural coloring, and for the cream, I decided to combine mascarpone with some cream cheese, and I can't wait to try this. And if you do like this video and this recipe, please hit the like button and please subscribe to support my channel. And you can also share my recipes with other people. And without further ado, let me show you how to make this super easy, beautiful, vibrant moss cake. Blend 300 grams of baby spinach and add 80 milliliters of sunflower oil. That will make it easier to blend it. And 300 grams is exactly 2 of these packages. Put 160 grams of granulated sugar with 3 eggs in a bowl and mix until it doubles in size. Now add 100 milliliters of sunflower oil, zest from 1 lemon, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, add the spinach mixture, and mix again. Now put 300 grams of all-purpose flour in a bowl, add 14 grams of baking powder, mix it together. Now we're going to be slowly adding the flour with the baking powder into the mixture, and I'm going to be mixing this by hand. And prepare your cake tin. Mine is 9.5 inches wide. To prepare the cake tin, I put a parchment paper at the bottom. Then I butter the sides. I'm using a kitchen roll so my hands don't get greasy. And I will put a little bit of flour on the side. And now put it into the oven for approximately 45 minutes, but I'll keep an eye on it. Look at this beautiful color. So after 45 minutes, I'm gonna do the toothpick test. So just put a toothpick inside of the cake and nothing's coming out. So that means that the cake is done, and I baked it exactly for 45 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm just gonna run a knife carefully around the cake. And now carefully place the cake on a rack so it can cool down properly. And whilst the cake is cooling, we're going to make the cream. So for the cream, put 300 grams of mascarpone, add 250 milliliters of heavy cream, add 90 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now mix on low for about 1 minute. And after 1 minute, increase the speed and mix it into a cream. And after about 2 to 3 minutes, when the thick cream is formed, I'm going to add 1 packaging of cream cheese, which is 226 grams. And I'm going to be adding it slowly by spoons. And I think this is perfect. You see we have nice thick cream. You can taste it now, and if you feel like it needs a little bit more sugar, feel free to add more. So now cut the top layer of the cake, and we're gonna be using that to create the mass. I'm gonna take the top layer, put it in a bowl, and just spread it with my hands. have this beautiful moss now. So now we're gonna cut the rest of the cake in half. And I'm gonna slide one of my thin boards to pick up the top layer. And now just place the bottom layer on your cake tray. I'm gonna be first putting a layer of blueberry jam. Make sure you go all the way to the corners. Now we're gonna put a layer of our cream. Try to not mix it together with the jam because it's gonna look prettier like that, but it's not that easy, so don't worry about it too much. Again, make sure you go all the way to the edges. And just remember that we're gonna be putting another layer of cream and then we're gonna be coating the whole cake with the cream. Now put the second layer on top. Make sure it's nicely centered. We're gonna put another layer of the blueberry jam. This is perfect. If you see that one side is a little bit dropping down, you can lift it up and just put a little bit more cream there, just to make it nice and straight. Now put the top layer of the cream. And when you have the cake covered from all sides, attach the moss. And I wouldn't push it at the top. I think it looks better when it's not pushed in. It looks more realistic, but the sides you gotta push in to make sure that they stick to the cream. And where you see any little spots, you can just seal it with the moss. And when you're happy with how it's covered, I'm just gonna sprinkle a few blueberries on top. You can use some edible flowers too. And the lovely moss cake is done.